Who is your second best friend other than me? After me?
Sir, I don't.
You don't know?
Sir, many.
Many. Okay. No answer still now. Guys, it's 5 minutes. Where is my answer? You don't send me the answer within a minute.
Sir, it seems like the whole of the 27th question is not given.
Yeah, you have to see on the right. After this, we go on the right and it continues. Human is the monitor.
Yo, man, check mine.
So time up. Azu bhai, long talking, time up,
Sir,
guys.
1 minute, sir. Sir, just 1 minute.
There is Mau. All right, guys, I'll explain. But it's been 10 minutes. So everyone look here. So only Yoman gets a star and Yoman will get extra kidzo for that. All right, let's see, guys. So first of all, we have to divide this by 108. 108 times 9 is 972. So 7 will come here. Now, if we go on, we subtract this. I got 97 again. 5 will fall down. So my R will be 5. And again, I am subtracting with 972. So it will be 3. Because I use the same uh, number to divide, like 972 I have here, 972 I have here. So my S will be again 9. Any confusion in this? So how much time did it take to find me the values? Less than a minute. So now Q. Q is 7. R is 5. 7 plus 5. Minus S is 9. And your P is 3. So if you remember, I told you we have to add the positive numbers first. So P was 3, yeah. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So any confusion in this question?
Sir, I did it 7 plus 5, then 9 plus 3, and then I subtracted. So I got
Beta,
the answer 0.
three-
I got 0. Sorry.
3 is a negative, 3 is a positive number.
Towards 0.
Listen to me, 9 is a negative number, 3 is a positive number. So this cannot be added. तो आपको हमेशा positive numbers को add करना है पहले. You can add 3 also in the positive number because 3 is also a positive number. But 9 is a negative number. So
Sir,
I
what
want
are
to...
Sir, what are positive and negative?
Positive numbers are the numbers, but I told you in the last... I don't remember if I told you in the last class.
No,
Suppose I write 20 plus 17 minus 19. So this 20 and let me write plus 8 also. 20, अगर किसी number में कोई sign नहीं है, then it's a positive number. It is expected to be a positive number by default. 17 is a positive number. 8 is a positive number. But 9 is a negative number that you have to, 19, sorry, that you have to give. How to identify? Suppose you have to take toffees from someone, candies from someone. So this is plus 20, plus 17. So Tani Bani, look here. You have to take 20 from Tani Bani. Advika has to take 20 from Tani Bani, 17 from Annie, and 8 from Princess. And she has to give 19 to me. So 19 she has to give to me. So 19 will be subtracted from the sum of that she will get. Understood this way?
yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you get a negative sign, because there is a, अगर यहाँ पे 20 होता आप instantly 20 minus 19 कर देते. You guys got confused because यहाँ पे 5 था. So you have to add all the positive numbers. 7, 5, 12 plus 3, 16, 16 minus 7, 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 minus 9 will give you 6.
Sir,
Understood?
I use board mass because
जब
Yes.
board mass करो कुछ भी करो minus
Sir, I
9
also used board mark.
you will study later in this class. Minus 9 plus 3 जो है, that is equal to minus 6. So you will study this later at the end of grade 5 class. And those who are in CBSC, they will study next year. Those who are in ICSC board or I think IGCSC or Cambridge, they will study this year at the end. These are negative numbers addition that you have not studied till now. All right, guys. Or let me tell you one more thing. Plus और minus कुछ भी पहले करो कुछ भी बाद में करो कोई difference नहीं होता. Forget board mass. Do anything which is like I have told you to. Yes, you man.
Sir, what you are telling, we have learned.
Okay, you have learned. That's great.
Yes, sir. Board mass we know.
Why did people like Prime and Mickey got it wrong?
sir, I sent to human, but I got to know I couldn't solve the 27th question. It took me time, but I got the answer D and C.
Sir,
Okay, now let's see. A total of these many tiles were used for decorating the rooms, kitchen and bathrooms. Each apartment had 2 rooms. तो 2 rooms है, 1 kitchen है, 2 bathrooms है. तो 2 rooms का कितना tiles होगा? Tell me. Tell me. 168 tiles. You guys are not helping me. 168 tiles. Then one kitchen will occupy how many?
64.
64. Then 2 bathrooms because you guys like to watch the
102.
room a lot.
102.
104 beta 52 times 104. Who is speaking 102? Which great personality of the world is speaking 102? So we will have 4, 4, 8, 8 and 8 is 16. So 1 carryover, 6 plus 6, 12. So 1 carryover 3 and I will get 336. Any doubts in this?
No,
Now
sir.
336 I used in one apartment. Now I will tell you a shortcut way also. So let me 300. I have to divide 18,816 by 336. So first of all, I want to ask how many of you got till this point?
Me.
Me.
Sir, I got till 336, but I didn't divide.
Sir,
I
did
just-
the whole question.
Sir, I did 336 multiplied by 65.
Okay.
And
Guys,
it was
okay, look here. 300, I have got 56, 66. So मेरा आंसर 56 या 86 में होगा. How do I know? Because 6, 6 are 36. When I multiply, I have to get 6 in the ones place. So my D, B and D options got cancelled out. Now 300 into 60 gives me 18,000. Now my number is more than this. So my answer would be 56 or else I can divide. Divide the
Sir.
first place. I will by 5. I can write it here and then I'll come to know that my assumption was correct. So should I show the division also?
Sir, then I was right. My answer was correct. I accidentally sent him C and C. So my
Beta, why
first
do you do so many accidents? You know that you will not be eligible for a driving license when you grow up. You are doing so many accidents, Divansh. And prime Veda beta sit straight. Don't be sit like a Sethji. Don't become a Sethji in my class. Veda, sit straight, bhai. Don't become Sethji, please. All right. So what we have to do? This chapter is complete now. Can you guys remind me हम कौन सा और क्या कर रहे थे last class में?
Sir, we were doing the reasoning worksheet.
Sir, we were doing analogy and classification.
Sir, we were doing analogy from the
Analogy.
Sir, we did till 25th question.
That was over only. Nothing is left now. You guys are so smart. You will manage. Want to do 2, 3 more questions?
no sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
no.
one question.
I hurt
Yes,
my
sir.
finger.
Sir, one question.
Sir, pool.
Poll question.
Do the 30th one. 29th one is so easy.
Sir, it's not easy.
Sir, can we do 29 also?
Okay, do the 20.
Zoo, bhai, what is your problem?
Sir, it is very easy. Sir, you covered the D. What is D of 29?
196.
Okay.
Sir, I got to send her to human.
Then sir.
Yo man, where is my answer? Yo man and Tani Bani.
Sir,
I
revive
can't
the
understand the 29th
Sir,
question. I
revive
said
the
for 30.
paper.
All right, let me explain now. Mickey Mouse major क्या किया भाई आपने? This one isn't, though every number is a square number,
I said for the 30th one.
but this one is a odd number. Rest are even numbers. Major क्या हो गया? Major general.
सर मैंने भी तो यही भेजा था.
आपने ये भेजा था मेजर जनरल.
Yes, sir.
बेटा आपने
तो मैं
डीबी
सोच रही
भेजा.
हूँ कुछ और ही एक्सप्लेनेशन.
आपने डीबी भेजा मुझे.
सर नहीं वो
हाँ.
मैंने उल्टा कर
ओए. And this answer is C, beta.
सही था. ओ
See, two square circle. Circle comes outside, two circles square. So this triangle will go where? Outside. Two triangles, and this circle will go inside. Understood?
yes, sir.
Mickey Mouse, क्या हो गया? Guys, क्या हो गया ये? How did you get it wrong?
तो मैं 29th का सोच रही थी कुछ टफ एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा.
Everyone in clubhouse is so what?
सर जो मिकी माउस का जो वो गैजेट नहीं होता जिससे वो कुछ निकालता उसका वो चल नहीं रहा. सर
Sarah, have we done puzzle test? No.
यस
No, sir.
So everyone remembers the patterns. जब तक भूल गए हम.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
patterns, sir, please.
सर पैटर्न
Sir, patterns. Sir, patterns.
Sir, pattern
Or
is the
geometry. Sir,
sir, puzzle.
or geometry.
Yes, sir.
नो सर नो जियोमेट्री.
Sir,
The
geometry.
geometry.
सर
Sir, geometry. The geometry.
All right, here we start with patterns.
No, no, sir.
Pattern
Yes, sir.
91.
So there are two options: patterns or decimals.
Sir, pool.
Patterns. Patterns.
Pattern.
Poor pattern.
Our decimal.
Send a poll.
Sir, pattern.
Everybody vote for patterns.
But already I have got more patterns. I heard decimals. So one or two kids said decimals like that.
Sir, don't worry, we will still vote.
Chalo guys, do the first two questions. Till that time I'm making the poll.
X, Y, Z, Z, X, Y, Z, Z, Y, X, X, Y, Z, Z, Y, X.
Sir, the first question.
First, second question.
Sir,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
which is the 10th digit in the first question?
sir,
Yes, sir.
why can't I give a vote?
Better because you are the monitor. That is why you.
Who voted for decimals? I think so did.
No, but I cannot vote. Since there are two questions, guys, send.
Sir, I am doing counting, sir. Wait.
Major General knows how
Sir,
to
I
count.
forgot the counting, sir. मेहनत खराब होगी.
My dear kids, time up.
So 1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, please.
So, Warrior, have you written my name in the list of best friends where you maintain a diary now? Have you written my name over there?
Sir, I've not written a list.
So, Annie, Princess, Thani Bani.
Sir, I'm just sending, sir, sir, sir.
So 1 minute.
Time is up. No.
Sir, I can't figure out how to do the second one, but I'm sending for the
Whatever you could figure out, send. Otherwise, it will not be checked. नानी बानी which आपने कौन सा आंसर भी दिया है मुझे कैसे पता
The
चलेगा?
first one.
All right, let me explain. Any first one is wrong. So see kids, 19.
Sir, I meant to send C part for the first one.
Okay, so we have
So same.
3 and 3. So x, y, z, z, y, x. So the pattern is for of how many letters? 6. So after every 6 letter it will repeat. So let me divide 99 with 6. So I will get what? 16s are 96. So after till 96, this pattern gets over. This is 94, 95, 96. After 96 again, X, Y, Z. 97, 98, 99. Understood or not, guys?
Sir, I did it another list.
Sir, but I did it like the 10th one is Z and I
Yes,
multiplied it by 90 and
Yeah.
the 90th one is Z and the 99th one is also that Z. with it.
Your method is wrong because the pattern is of 6. You guys just got lucky. तो आपको 6 से divide करना चाहिए था because the pattern is changing after every 6 months. Okay, got it? You guys got lucky.
Sir, then why have they marked 10th?
Beta, they have marked to indicate you, but to confuse you, maybe you guys got confused. Okay. So the correct way, I'm telling you the correct way is like I told you, we have to do after every 6 because जो pattern है मेरा उसमें 6 है. After 6 it repeats itself. So how many pattern will be in pattern 94? So 1 has 4, 2 has 6, 3 has 8. So you see, we have to find a formula for these type of questions. How do we find the formula? The formula is 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 into 2 plus 2, 2 into 3 plus 2. And for 91, it will be 2 into 91 plus 2. Now the question would be how I found the formula. So this is a little bit tricky part, so you guys better pay attention. You see the difference is of 2. Can you see? So definitely your formula will have 2 multiplied by. ये मुझे इसलिए पता चला क्योंकि डिफरेंस 2 था. फिर मैंने फर्स्ट वाले को कंपेयर कर लिया. 2 into 1 से मुझे ये 4 कैसे आएगा when I will add 2. I will repeat. जितना डिफरेंस होता है ना, that thing comes in multiplication. Understood? Whatever the difference is, that thing will come in multiplication. Then I have to observe any pattern. The easiest one to observe is pattern 1. 2 into 1, because this is pattern 1 plus 2. So everyone understood this? Yes or no?
Sir, I thought every time 4 ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
बेटा every time 2 ज्यादा हो रहा है. ठीक है?
Sir,
So all right guys, we'll take a break. We'll resume after the break. Enjoy. Don't trouble
Bye,
me.
sir. Bye. क्यों?
Oh, Riva, send your answer.
Sir Tanubani has sent.
So any and major time up. My answers are any beta, you will have to improve your speed. DC. So this again I told you we will divide by 4. And because 88 is divisible by 4, your 88 will come here in this one. So God has understood.
No, sir, but it can come in 2 also. But sir, they have patterns. But
बेटा नो,
so
इट्स मेरे बच्चे, जब ये 4 से डिविजिबल हो रहा है ना, इस जो भी रिमाइंडर 1 आएगा ना, इट विल कम हियर. whichever gives you remainder 2 will come in this one. Whichever gives you remainder 3 will come in this column. Whichever gives you remainder 0 will come in this column. Understood?
okay,
My
understood, sir.
okay. And next one I don't need to explain. Major, you did not give your answer. Should I explain the next one? Major General,
Yes, sir.
should I explain the fourth question?
Yes, sir.
So it is plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, and plus 11. Major General, why you did not give your answer?
Sir, I was doing the first question.
Sir, can I bring water for myself?
No.
Sir, right. Sir, I want
So
water.
do the fifth question. I will give you 2 minutes only.
Sir, but 93 is odd, so how will we do it?
Very good question. Very good question. Better try to find a pattern between the first two ones. The same pattern will be followed in the third tree. This is a tree.
Sir, I can't understand.
All right, let's see. So kids, you have to try to make 66 from 27 and 5. So how can you try to make any? Did you get the logic or did you get Miss Annie? Did you get the logic or you guessed?
No, sir, I guess.
Okay. So I had to try to make 66 from 27 and 5. So 27 minus 5 is 22 and 22 multiplied by 3 is 66. Then after getting
Sir,
the
we
logic,
can do this way also.
beta wait. I have to check the logic in the second tree also. 36 minus 10 is 26. 26 multiplied by 3 is 78. So my answer would be 34. 34 minus 3 equals to 31. 31 multiplied by 3 will give me 93. So now you guys are in grade 5. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any operations or a combination of operations can be used in your question. So you will have to get better in your calculations, and the pattern questions sometimes are the toughest to decode. So it's okay, we will give more practice, but I'm telling you in advance that patterns questions, if a tough pattern question comes in exam, it becomes the most difficult question which you don't have to waste too much time on. But right now we are learning, we are understanding, so let's do it. Next question. Major, don't use headrest, please. Abita, don't eat your fingers, please. You guys wanted to do the patterns chapter, na? That's a great choice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abita, your answer is wrong. Your star has been confiscated for some time.
Sir, I know.
All right, guys, let's see. So we do 28 minus 18. I get 10. 35 minus 33, I get 2. I add them, I get 12. 14 minus 9, I get 5. 11 minus 13 minus 11 will give me 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. Similarly, this is 5. This is 5 minus 3, 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So my answer would be 13.
Sir, how would we found out this, sir?
Beta, we have to try addition, subtraction, multiplication,
Sir,
division.
I've sent
Yes.
it only.
can you repeat?
Before you started.
Beta, any you have to send on time. Beta, you are always sending when I start explaining. So any आपको please time पे भेजो so that I can check it. So because beta it's one question a minute. Secondly beta, the easiest way to decode is आप देखो यहाँ पे smaller number है 7. So we can try adding. जैसे मैं try करूँ 7 plus 3 10. सबसे पहले I will try addition subtraction only. So 7 plus 3 10. 5 plus 2 7. So I can try this way also. 7 minus 2 5. 5 minus 3 2. 5 plus 2 I get 7. So we have to try different things and try with a smaller number first. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
That did like 7 minus 3 and 2 minus 5
Where 7 minus 3
and 2 minus 5.
2 minus. So let's try 7 minus 3 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. So it works here. Now let's try here also beta, but is the same logic is not working in the pattern one. Understood?
But in
So
pattern true, it is like that only.
beta, that's what I'm saying. We have to apply from one pattern to other. My logic has to work on both of them to be true. So I would say you got lucky because it worked in 3. Okay?
Okay,
It has to apply on all the 1 or 2 or 3 figures which are given. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक में apply होगा दूसरे में नहीं होगा. So do the 7th and 8th question. Any beta, as soon as I start explaining, you say if you send your answer, so what will I do? Will I check your answer or will I continue explaining? If I have to check your answer, I'll have to stop in between now.
What? You? I had a stash of nuts. Hidden at in my bottom drawer. Beautiful. What's that called? I don't know. This is like the hardest question. Blooming. This is amazing. Will you please ask my mother if I have a white kurti? You have a Wait, can you ask my mother what color leggings we had to wear? Any color. Wait, please.
Advika, can we discuss about the kurti and nuts later, beta? Though it is very interesting, but I
Sir,
think
I have done the question.
you have done the question. You have not sent me. It was like the hardest question,
Sir, I'll say.
though it was very, very interesting.
My mic was on.
No, we truly appreciated the nuts and everything.
Sir.
Sir, it is interesting. It's
So
one.
Mickey, Kitten, and Riva, send your answer. Mickey, Kitten, time up now. So the answer is C and D. So Major, you understood your mistake.
I wanted to send
Okay, Major, you understood your mistake for the C part. Now, seventh question. Now for the eighth question, it is 2 into 2 plus 1, 5 into 2 plus 2. So 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 into 2 plus 3. 12 2s are 24 plus 3, 27. 27 into 2 plus 4. So 54 plus 4, 58. 58 into 2 plus 5. So what will I get? 116 plus 5, 121. So Tani Bani, Goddess, Riva, and Annie understood.
It was a typing
Sir,
mistake.
I understood it on my own, sir.
Sir, it was a typing mistake.
Like,
So guys, don't do this. I think we can do 11th and 12th question. So Advika, can you tell us the white kurti story?
Sir, today is
Sir,
the
no, sir.
class and it's the shoes. So she was asking her mother for the kurti.
And yeah.
सर 2 टाइम मेरे लैपटॉप ने मेरे को मारा और एक टाइम मेरे चार्जर ने.
That's great, Riva.
Sir, it was hanging like this and I went like.
That's very good, Riva. So I think better there is time for one question only. Everyone do the 11th question only. And I can give 1 minute.
The ones who got it right can leave.
No. So let me explain. Row 1 has 1. Then I have 3. Then third one has 5. Then fourth one has 7. Then fifth one will have 9. Sixth one will have 11. Seventh one will have 13. Eighth one will have 15. Nine one will have 17. 10 will have 19. 11 one will have 21. 12 will have 23. 13 will have 25. This
Sir,
is
I did like this.
this is
Sir,
method 1. Wait. I am explaining. Now this is method 1, which is the easiest, which is a bacha method. Now, if we want to learn one more method, the concept will be that. What will be the concept? See that there is a difference of 2, 2, 2. So the formula will be 2 into 1 plus something or minus something. So 2 will be multiplied. So it's row number 1. So I multiplied with 2. So but I got a 1 here. So I will subtract 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1. So I will check in second also 2 into 2 minus 1. So in 13, it will be 2 into 13 minus 1. Everyone understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Yes, sir.
can we read by next week?
Sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, kids. Bye bye.
Bye,
Don't
sir.
trouble me. Bye bye.
Bye, Sensei.
And
Bye bye. Advika, you want to show us something? Bye, princess.